thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video, we are unboxing the Fortune Cookie Soap subscription for February. I am happy to see it back in a box because I was very disappointed about the bag, but the box is still a little small than usual. If it was blue, would I love it even more? And I think this month's theme is Alice in Wonderland because it says, "It's no use going back to yesterday because I was a different person then," quote Alice. Let's just dive right in, and I'm like, did I pre-cut it upside down? My address is on the other side, but I wanted to like open it up that way you guys could see in real time. I'm just like spinning it around. That's why I pre-cut so I don't fail and failing. Okay, we got it. Ooh, it smells really good, whatever is inside. Ooh, this is what I'm talking about. There's more products in the last box. There is more deluxe sizes, but you know what? I feel like this is a better value than whatever that last month. I will link it down below for reference, and then I will link down December's as well because December's, oh, that box just hit it out of the park, man. And I still really miss how the subscription was before, but this definitely makes up for January. I know they're not just watching my video if they are even watching it, but it's nice to see that they are taking feedback into consideration because I know I was disappointed. I can't speak for everyone, so I don't know if anyone else had that same disappointment, but for being a long time supporter of Fortune Cookie Soap, I felt betrayed a little bit, and I know I'm not the only one. I am happier with this box, so keep it up, Fortune Cookie Soap. I love you guys so much, and I really want you guys to have really good success. And no, that was not sponsored. I have just been a huge fan of Fortune Cookie Soap. I've had the subscription for like 3 years now, and yeah. So we got some good goodies. Well, it looks like we got some good goodies. I can't confirm or deny yet. So February's theme is Wonderland, and we have the card that describes what products we got. So the first product is Eat Me Deep Conditioner. I love deep conditioners. Now that I don't have as much hair, I still need them because my hair is very thick and it's very wavy. So it's nice to have a deep conditioner to really just help tame it and calm it down a little bit. Really give back the moisture back into my hair because I guess there's just so much hair to hydrate that not all of my hair gets the hydration that it needs, but a nice deep conditioner really makes a huge difference in my hair for like the next 2 days. So I normally do a deep conditioner mask once a week. I've been worse with it recently, but sometimes I think even twice a week would be nice. Definitely on Sundays because I like to do self-care Sunday for myself. I like to take a bath. I like to deep condition and shave my legs. That's just something I do. It's very therapeutic and relaxing to set yourself up for the next week. So I'm really excited to see how this works. I have used Fortune Cookie Soap's deep conditioners in the past, so it's nice to see a product that I'm already a really huge fan of. And this little jar, it will get me maybe 1 to 2 months worth of uses, especially with the amount of hair that I have right now. In the past, I've gotten maybe 3 to 4 uses with this size jar. If you head over to Fortune Cookie Soap's website, they have a calendar of their launches, and some of the products you are able to get from this box as well. Sometimes they even put this subscription box up for sale, and then there's like other products associated with the launch too, so I know I'm excited to look out for that. The next product is It's Only a Dream Cuticle Butter. I really love their cuticle butters because I have really bad cuticles just because like my hands are dry. I like to pick at my cuticles. I'm trying to stop biting them. I know that's really gross, but it's a nervous anxiety habit that I do have. I really like the size. I'll be able to keep it at my desk. It's just nice to really hydrate your cuticles. I got one of these in a previous box that I keep at my nightstand, and this is what the inside looks like. So it looks small, but there's a lot of product in here. It will last you a long time. For a while before using this, I was using Lush's cuticle butter, and I found that Fortune Cookie Soaps worked a little bit better for me. I just felt like it's a little bit more hydrating, but that's just a comparison I can think of off the top of my head. I do compare Fortune Cookie Soap to Lush quite often just because they are very similar. They have similar products, and price also is a huge difference with them as well. So if I refer to Lush, it's just because that's like the only other brand I can think of that is very, very comparable and similar to Fortune Cookie Soap. The next product we have is We're All Mad Here perfume oil. I love their perfume oils if you don't want like a really intense perfume smell. Ooh, that's nice. It's a very floral scent. Like, I feel like it just smells like straight up flowers. This is really nice. That's how I like to apply their perfume oils. I like just to apply them on my wrists, and I feel like the scent will stay there pretty much all day. Yeah, like gardenia. The Bath & Body Works Gardenia. I am not as good as identifying what it smells like, but what stuff tastes like. Like, what did we do? A couple Fridays ago, me, Alma, and Catherine went out and we went to a couple different bars and they had some really, really good drinks. This one, I don't even remember like the name of the drink, but when I took a sip of it, I was like, this tastes like a spiked pink lemonade. It was awesome. And then we went to another bar and it was like a blue drink and it tasted like the blue raspberry ices that have melted and it's just the liquid. And Catherine was chuckling at me. She's like, you're really good at this. I'm like, this is what it tastes like. That's all I can think of. And then when I'm filming and I'm trying to identify smells, I'm like, what? What is it? What? Like, I'm just struggling. Story over, moving on. The next product is the Almost Alice Fortune Cookie Soap. Oh my gosh, it's so cute with the butterfly. Yes. I normally don't use these soaps. I kind of just use them for decoration. I think you can use these as hand soap, but like I said, decoration, like that butterfly is just too cute to want to use. I'm thinking of building like a little shelf in my filming room's bathroom and then just kind of displaying some of like the really cute soaps like this, because I don't think I would use something like this. I would feel kind of guilty. I don't know, it's just so cute and detailed. Let me know if you guys feel that way about some products, like it's just too cute to use and you just want to display them. Maybe it's me. It very well could just be me. The next product is the Futter Walk-In liquid shampoo. Now, I haven't tried their liquid shampoo. I have received some, I just haven't used it. I normally just give it to Griffin, but I think I'm gonna finally try some. And they launched shampoo bars similar to Lush, so I did pick up some of those. So I don't know how they work yet. I haven't tried them yet, but their liquid shampoos and their liquid conditioners I haven't used. I've only used their deep conditioning masks. It's just because I'm very picky about my shampoo, just because, like, as I mentioned, I have a lot of hair and it's just hard to find a good shampoo that will really hydrate and moisturize my hair. I also feel like I wouldn't get many uses out of this one fluid ounce bottle, so I know Griffin could probably get way more uses out of it than me. I feel like 2 uses and I'm done. Let me know if you used their liquid shampoo and what your thoughts were. Did it hydrate your hair? Did it dry it out? Did it feel brittle? Did it feel soft, silky, smooth, shiny? Just let me know, because I haven't used it and I still haven't made up my mind if I'm gonna use this. It smells like clementines. I mean, I know it's orange and I didn't want to make that assumption. And then the last product, we have the Who Are You Charcoal Face Mask. I'm really excited to have another face mask by Fortune Cookie Soap because they are really, really, really good. I'm not sure if this charcoal face mask is supposed to be for hydrating or what. So it doesn't say if it's gonna be like brightening, hydrating, targeting blackheads, whiteheads, or what, but I feel like we'll be able to get pretty amount of good uses. They always fill up their products to the very, very top. I will say that this box definitely put me back into a happier mood with the Fortune Cookie Soap subscription. I know with January's box, I was very disappointed and it left a bad taste in my mouth, but I am really happy that I decided to stick with it because yes, we got maybe 1 full size, but we got more deluxe sizes than we did in the last box. And I feel like even though some of these are deluxe sizes, I can still get a lot of use out of. Like, definitely like the perfume oil, the mask, and the cuticle cream, I will be able to get many uses out of. The deep conditioner, as I already mentioned, And the soap, I don't know how many uses out of this soap you can get. I think it is a really, really good box. I'm satisfied with how many products, the size, the uses, and the price that I paid for it. I still miss the original subscription, but that's just me. I wish they would bring back that option, then you can get this option. That is something that Fortune Cookie Soap should consider, in my opinion. This concludes today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy Fortune Cookie Soap unboxings, first impressions. Leave a comment below what your favorite Fortune Cookie Soap product is. Did you get this box? What was your favorite product? What worked? What didn't work for you? Please make sure you're subscribed before you leave, and I will see you in the next video.